What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're jumping back into the R32 to talk about what's next for it. I'm going to jump into the next project, which is going to be the engine bay. After a big refresh on the outside, the car is looking awesome. We've got the car going better recently, but the engine bay looks like a mess. I really want to tidy it up, so I'm proud to pop the bonnet. At the moment, it's a bit of a shambles. Let's have a look and see what the plan is. Now that the Skyline's looking mint on the outside, it's time to deal with the engine bay. So as you guys know, we're rocking the RB20 DET engine. It's got a few bits and some mods on there, plenum, turbo, manifold, etc. The bay has been sprayed, so it's got nice shiny gloss black paint, but the rest of it really lets it down. A lot of the parts are quite grotty. We've got blue silicons and mismatched hoses, and we've got braided lines with a catch can that go all over the place, so we're going to shorten those, reroute those, change out the silicon, put on some new hose clamps. And then I really want to paint the rocker cover, guys. What colour do you think I should go? I don't know whether it's just silver like the car or black, or whether we do some pearly, or I don't know. Put some suggestions down in the comments, guys. I'm actually really stuck on that as to what colour to do. It kind of really lets the car down now. It looks really warm because, you know, these are old cars now. Then we've got to deal with this mess down here in the inlet plenum and just polish up all the polished parts. And I reckon we can get this looking mint. This is going to be my next little project. Going to chip away at this and get this looking immaculate, so I can roll up in a nice looking car and pop the bonnet and feel proud of what's under there. So that's the plan, guys. That's what we're up to next. We're going to work on the engine bay. Need your help though. What colour should we do the rocker covers? I'm going for sort of like a classy OEM kind of look, so what do you guys recommend? Anything I should add to the engine bay, you know, like to make it pop? I'm looking for like changing out the hardware to make that look cool. It's all these little finishing details that really finish a car, and I think the outside's finished so well now. It'd be a shame to have the engine bay let it down, so we're going to put a huge effort into this to make it look awesome. Well guys, thanks for watching another video. We're going to be out there at all sorts of events this year. You're going to see the cars in the flesh. We're going to be doing driving events, all sorts. So keep watching.